and in French we say it as Bon Fête National. Okay, now we have students of grade 9, that is Avni, Ronak, Divit, Rakshant, and Arjun, who are going to tell you some information related to France. Are you going to enjoy it? Yes. So nicely, just patiently listen to them. They are going to make fun today. Okay. So patiently enjoy it. Okay. If you have anything, just type in the chat box. Do not disturb anyone. Yes. Over to you, Avni, on your camera.
Hello
Just a second,
everyone,
let
bonjour.
June present his screen.
Rakshant, given. I want every one of you on your cameras. Yes.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, Arjun.
So, hello everyone, bonjour. Julie Cater Julien. Now, what's that? Now, just I blabbered out. It's how you wish someone happy Bastille Day. So, let's talk about what it is. So, to start off, what is Bastille Day and why do we celebrate it? My friends would you like to help me answer that question?
Yes, sure. So, King Louis XVI needed more money, but had failed to raise more money. So, when he called a meeting with the government officials, basically people of power, it turned into a protest about conditions in France instead. In 1789, on the 14th of July, the French Revolution started, and that day is now celebrated as Bastille Day. We celebrate Bastille Day because it marks the day that the French Revolution started, and it thus became a symbol of the end of the ancient regime, that is, the period before the French Revolution. It is celebrated on the 14th of July, and it is an important day for France. How interesting!
It is also very important to the French people and is a national holiday. There is a military parade, cultural program, an outdoor operatic concert, and most of all, breathtaking fireworks. Isn't that amazing? It is just like our Independence or Republic Day in India. On July 14th, 1880, Bastille Day became an official holiday. Ronak, would you mind telling more about Bastille Day?
Not at all. The day was meant to symbolize peace and brotherhood during the revolution, and today, the founding message remains important. No one calls it Bastille Day in France. Officially, France calls it La Fête Nationale or the national holiday. Also, the Bastille Parade is the largest and the longest parade in Europe. So,
Now
guys,
that we
let us
know
have a
so
quiz.
much about Now that we know so much about Bastille Day, why not test our knowledge with a short quiz? Ronak, would you like to help us with that?
Absolutely, let's get started. What are the three colors in the French flag? Would anyone like to answer that? Yes, that's right.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Arnav. Yes, Arnav. Would you like to say?
Yes, ma'am. The three colors in the French flag are bleu, blanc, rouge.
Yes, that's
Very
right.
nice. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. Meet, Ansh, everyone. Swada, Adi, Enya. Very nice. Okay. Dishita, come on. Next one. Very nice students.
When is the Bastille Day celebrated?
Yes. Dishita, would you like to answer, darling? Yeah, Dishita. The question is
No, no,
when.
when,
Okay, I think
when.
Yug wants to answer.
Paris,
Yug,
Paris.
you will answer. No, it's when.
14
Okay, yes,
Juliet.
Yug. Would you like to answer,
Yes,
Yug?
that's correct.
14 Juliet.
Yes, it is 14. That is 14 juillet. Very nice. Very nice, Enya, Shrika, Harsh, Ansh, Yug, Swada, etc. Yeah. Okay, next one.
Who was the king at that time? Does anyone remember it?
Come on, guys, you can do it. Answer it.
Yes. Now in the story we
Can
learned
I
it.
answer?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yes, Shrika, can Shrika?
Now can I say? It says,
Yes, you can.
I remember it is
Come on.
King Louis or something. I just remember that.
Yes, very nice. King Louis. All those who have typed in the chat box, Adi Swada, very, very nice. Okay. Yes, it is King Louis 16. Très, très bien. Come on, next one. Yes, it can also be King Henry.
Name one
Yes,
French
correct.
monument. Come on, that's so easy.
I want answers coming from everyone in the chat box. Yes, Meet, you want to say Meet?
Can I tell? Can I tell?
Nagpur, I feel. Nagpur,
Yes,
Ma'am,
Laturi
can I
very
say?
nice,
Can
very
I
nice.
say?
There are, yes, yes,
Cities?
yes.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, okay.
Can I say?
No. You type in the chat. The one who will say, can I say, won't get chance. Okay, you type in the chat box. That's how you maintain the decorum of the class. Okay, I can see Enya, Shanai, Swada, Veer, Meera, Shrika, Adi all typing the correct answers in the chat box. Kudos. We move to the next one.
Andrew.
How do you say, how are you in French?
Can I tell?
Yes, say.
It's you.
Ça va bien, merci. Comment ça va?
Okay, you are
Can I
correct.
say?
Yes, it is
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Kosava
right.
Yugi.
Comment
Yes.
ça va?
Okay, it is Como Sava and Harsh, Shanai, Sanvi, Swada. Very nice. All typing in the chat box. Inya, Shrika, Adi, Trebia. Come on, next one. Yes. Did you enjoy? Yes. Did you all enjoy, everyone?
Yes, we.
Yeah.
Yes.
Grade 9, it was a wonderful job, and thank you so much. Thank you so much, grade 9. Yes, over to you, Kushbula.
Thank you so much, grade 9 students. It was lovely. Okay, back to class, everyone. Perfect. Now, we are going to do an activity together. Okay, so are you ready with your Eiffel Tower?
Yep. Yes.
Yeah?
Ma'am.
Perfect. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to divide. Okay, mute, babies. What we are going to do is we are going to divide this Eiffel Tower into 3 parts. Can you see? This is part 1 till here. Okay. Part 2, this much is part 2, and this one is part 3. Can you see? Part 1, part 2, and part 3. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in part 1, what we're going to do is, okay, first, are you ready with your balls? Are you ready with your balls? Blue color balls? This
Yes,
color
ma'am.
balls?
Ma'am.
Perfect. First, you apply a glue on part 1. Okay, you apply a glue on over the part 1. See, till here, okay, till here. Okay, and then you place the balls nicely. Okay, all right, like this.
And then, can you show again the where?
Yes,
Where
yes,
we have
yes.
to
One second. I'll repeat. I'll repeat everything. Okay. See, this is your paper. Okay, the Eiffel Tower. Till here. See, can you see till here? Okay, till here it's part 1. See, I've written part 1. From here till here it's part 2. Okay, and the remaining one is part 3. Okay, so in the part 1, the first color of the French flag is blue, isn't it? Yes or no? So we are
blue.
yes. So first we'll apply glue on part 1. Okay, we'll stick the blue balls. Okay, like this. See, I'll show you. Like this. See, we'll stick the balls. Okay, on part 1. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to stick it. Okay, do it nicely. See like this. Okay. All right. First, you need to apply glue, and then you need to stick those balls.
Ma'am, I don't have a printout for that paper.
Here then here we have part one.
See.
Like
Veer, see. See clear? Okay. And so that you may use your chalk colors or the oil pastels. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show me? We have to put. Ma'am, I don't have printout also. Because ink is also there.
So that then I can't help you, baby. Mirror till here, better.
So, ma'am, can I draw it?
Yeah. Draw it. Very good. Wonderful idea. Just draw it and color it better. Okay,
In
with blue.
in a simple printout paper.
Yeah. No worries. Mira till here. It's still here. Okay. Once you're done with the blue part, just show it to me. Okay.
And can you see my?
Yes, Shrika. Yes.
Yes, Shrika. Shrika, you have to paste these blue balls on part 1.
Okay.
Till here. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Show Shreyansh. Show to us.
Yes. Ma'am, can you show your picture one more time? Oh, okay.
done, ma'am.
Veer, I can't see your balls. Neither I can see the color.
Ma'am, can
Shreyansh. Trebia. Very good, Shreyansh. Trebia. Arya, show it to us. Yes.
have a little more?
Shreyansh,
Arya,
turn on your camera and show it to us. Smile.
Ma'am, like this.
show Nilesh.
Ma'am,
Perfect. Do it little more.
can you show the part one again?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Students, if you have completed, then you will type done in the chat, and then I will, we will see your work. So Shreyansh, if you are done, can you please on your camera?
Okay.
Yeah, and can you show us with a smile?
Right, white.
Shreyansh, darling. Shreyansh, show your sheet like this. Hold your sheet like this and show it to Heka ma'am. And smile. Perfect. Okay. All
Ma'am,
right.
can you put a little blue, right?
Shreya, sorry, Siddharth, I request you to stay on mute. What Mira?
For now, we're doing only the blue color, right?
Yes, for now, we are going to put the blue color. Once you are done with the blue color, then you can stick the white color till here, okay? See, white color balls till here, the way I did. Okay, can you see? From here till here, the second part. Okay, yes, start with the white one.
Okay.
Once you are done with the blue one, start with the white one. And then once you are done with the white one, you can start with the red one. Okay?
See. Ma'am, see.
Very good. Trebia, you Trebia, Vanya. C'est super.
Ma'am, how is this?
Trebia, Arnav. Perfect.
Ma'am, is this good? I'm sure.
It's amazing.
Ma'am, is this proper?
Trebia, Trebia.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anshi.
Ma'am, that sky and sun we have to draw with these papers only.
No. You first do the eye filter. Then I'll come to that. Okay. First, you need to stick the blue balls, then the white, and then once you're done, do the red balls. Okay. Stick the red balls.
Ma'am, is it fine?
Trebia, Shrika, Trebia, me, Trebia.
Ma'am, can you show again?
Yeah,
Ma'am.
sure. Anshi, this
Ma'am,
for
we
you.
have to do the white one now.
Yes,
It is the white
yes.
one.
See the.
Yes. Shrika,
See.
can you show again, Shrika?
Shrika, please show it to ma'am.
Lovely. Thank you. Thank you. My grade 3, 4, 5 students, really very nice. All are doing a great job. I'm so happy.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm done.
You done with all the 3 colors, beta?
Now I'm done with the blue.
Okay, start doing with red and white. See red till here. So sorry, the white till here and then the red. Okay. One at a time, one at a time. Because if everyone will speak together, teacher won't be able to listen to anyone. So one at a time. Yes, Ashi. Trebia, Ashi. Trebia. Now start with the white one.
Ma'am,
This
do
is
you have to do for the white till here?
Till here. See, till here. Okay, till here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Trebia. Okay.
Ma'am, my white paper is a little bit yellowish. Is it okay?
Yes, yes. Completely fine. Completely fine.
Ma'am, can you show it again?
Yes, Vihan. See. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't have the balls.
I told you. It's okay.
Can I
What
do
do you?
it with crayons?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Take out your crayons and start doing it from that. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dishita.
I don't have white gray paper, so can I use tissue paper?
Okay.
Ma'am, see.
Show you.
See?
Very good. Trebia, you. Trebia. Can you please hold and smile?
Ma'am, how is this? Ma'am, can you show again?
Trebia or no? Trebia.
Ma'am, I'm starting with the red. Ma'am.
Heta ma'am, can you please do the needful?
Ma'am.
You just hold and smile.
Yes, I would request everyone to stay mute. Okay. Yes, Yug, can you show it? Yeah, with a smile. Thank you. Yug, incredible. You have done such a nice job.
Trebia, you. Trebia.
Arnav, your turn. Can you show it once?
Okay, ma'am.
Trebia or no?
I want to see you, Arnav. I want to see you as well with a smile.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes. Almost right.
Very nice. Very nice.
Trebia, Adi, start sticking the blue, white one and the red one.
Ma'am,
Dania, very nice.
ma'am, I'm done with the full tower. Ma'am, can you see it?
Udita, show. 3, 2, 1, mute. One at a time. One at a time, please. I really request you one at a time. Udita, can you please
Type
show
in
it
the
to
chat
us?
box.
Ma'am, can you see it?
Trebia, Udita. Trebia.
You can see.
Perfect.
Just. It is.
Trebia.
Udita, can you show it once again?
Just hold it like this.
Ma'am, can you show the whole picture?
Yes. See, Kushi.
Okay, ma'am, got it. Ma'am, but my problem is I don't have red color and I only have pink color.
No worries. Make a ball of the pink color and do it, beta.
Ma'am,
No
I'm
worries.
very
No
Okay,
worries.
ma'am. Rest of
a craft paper of white.
and here dark.
Listen, if you don't
Can you show the picture again because I want to see where do we have to leave the gaps?
see.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Got it. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I start with the red part?
Yes, Inya. Perfect. Come on, start.
Ma'am, I'm done with the whole tower.
Vanya, can you please show it to us?
Wow.
Wow, Vanya. Wow, amazing. What is this floor inside?
Ma'am, where do we have to keep the white? Till where do we have to stick the white?
Ma'am, can you show?
Till here. After that, the red one. Oh,
यहाँ से यहाँ तक blue है.
oh, okay, ma'am. Got part 1, part 2, part 3.
Ma'am, who's done with the color? Ma'am, who's done with the balling? They can do the coloring.
Yes, yes, yes. Once you're done with this, color it. See the way I did?
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done. Trebia. Show.
Done.
Trebia, Shreyansh. Trebia. Trebia.
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am,
Yes, Meera, show it to us.
ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Trebia.
Now can I start the old tower?
Perfect. Trebia.
Ma'am, when I start coloring, I'm done.
Yes,
with it.
yes.
Yes.
Now you can start with the color.
Mira, can you show it? Can you hold it a little down? I want to see your face. Your face is being cut here. Thank you.
Ansh, show it to us.
Ma'am,
Ansh, smile on your face. Again, show your face too. Trebia. Trebia, it's lovely. Okay, everyone, can you hold your Eiffel Tower like this and smile? Everyone, come on. Come on, everyone.
Yes, Ansh, can you hold it?
ma'am, only this one. Ma'am, I completed.
3, 2, 1, mute. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes more. I'll give you 2 minutes more. Just complete it. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes more. No worries. No worries. Do it nicely. Okay, we'll give you 2 minutes.
But stay mute. Thank you.
Yes. Stay
Thank
on
you,
mute. Stay on mute.
I finished.
Show Arya.
Anya, can you show it?
I am.
Vanya.
Ma'am, I didn't.
Trebia, Arya. Trebia, you're done with the coloring and everything. Trebia.
Lovely, Vanya, lovely. But there's no smile on your face. Why so? There's no
Vanya?
smile.
Why? Smile.
There should be one smile, no? Yes. Hold it again with a smile. Come on. Yeah.
Trebia.
Lovely, lovely. All of the students are doing such a great job. Students, I have to tell you that you guys are doing a fantabulous job. And I'm so in love with all of you.
Trebia. Okay, everyone. Okay,
Arya,
everyone.
very nice.
3, 2, 1, mute.
Adi, Dishra, very nice.
3, 2, 1, mute. And everyone just hold your Eiffel Tower like this and smile. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and smile. Hold and smile.
1 second, I'll show you. Ma'am, can you see?
Hida, I'm done.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Trebia, Nilesh. Trebia. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm still doing bottom part, only few left.
Trebia. No worries. No worries. Keshav, do it nicely. It's okay. All right. It was really a fantastic day, and we couldn't have asked for a better event. I'm so thankful to our head of school, Miss Hina Paleja ma'am, who motivated us for the success of this event. I thank Bhavna ma'am and Vaishali ma'am from bottom of my heart for their constant support and guidance throughout this event. I thank to all my coordinators, teachers, and parents for taking out some time for us and gracing the event by their presence. And to all my students for showing up the motivation and the enthusiasm. Merci beaucoup tout le monde. On this note, we'll end. Au revoir. Merci beaucoup tout le monde.
You can hold one.
Au revoir, merci beaucoup.